How's it going, everyone? It is the investing guy here, and today I have a top 10 video for you guys. We are going to be breaking down my top 10 cryptocurrencies for the year of 2022. This is going to be a very quick video. I am going to try to give you a very quick explanation as to why this crypto is in my top 10 and in the place that I put it in. This is going to be a top 10 going from place number 10 all the way to my number one cryptocurrency to look out for. Make sure that you watch the whole video, and if you haven't already, make sure that you hit that subscribe and click that like button down below. Don't forget that I am doing my Voyager hoodie giveaways, so every 50 subscribers I will give away one of these Voyager hoodies. Now when we reach 850, I will give away another hoodie for you guys. If there is one coin that you believe it should be in my top 10 and it is not on there, remember this is my top 10. But you can always leave a comment down below and let me know why you believe I missed that coin. Make your opinion heard down below. I would love to hear what coins you are looking out for the year of 2022. All right, well, let's get right into the video. In place number 10, we have Shiba Inu. Here's my explanation why I believe SHIB might be a good investment for the year 2022. Just a quick reminder, guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet subscribed and help me get to 1,000 subscribers. So the first token that I want to talk about in place number 10 is Shiba Inu, or SHIB, whatever you want to call it. But the reason why I do want to talk about SHIB is because, well, check this out. CoinMarketCap tweeted recently that SHIB recorded 188 million views in 2021, making it the most viewed cryptocurrency of the year. Bitcoin and Doge were the second and third most viewed coins. And I am awaiting another retail pump. Well, I want you guys to think about something. Where does retail send their money when they start buying crypto? And those are definitely these meme coins here, right? Like SHIB and Dogecoin and whatnot. I definitely think that SHIB is looking much more bullish than Dogecoin right now. Dogecoin kind of seems to be dying while SHIB is thriving and doing great things. Not only that, but the other big thing that I want you guys to think about is this here. SHIB can get listed on Robinhood, and when that happens, I want you to realize that SHIB is going to go completely parabolic. I think this would be a great move for Robinhood since their crypto does seem to be dying off. Their stock is also just going down quite drastically, so I think it would be a good move for Robinhood to list SHIB because it would gain them so much attention from retail, and I guarantee you that many people would purchase SHIB on Robinhood, and that would do good for both Robinhood and for SHIB. In number 9 is Chainlink. The reason why is because, well, looking at the technicals here, it looks like there could be a reversal going on for Chainlink. Chainlink is right now trading at around $23 or whatnot, with a high of at around 50, I believe. So like it says on this article here, check this out. More so, the Link moving average is shown in the chart above. Currently, Link is in a bearish state. Notably, the Link price lies below the 50 moving average short term, so it is completely in a downward trend. Therefore, there is a possibility of a reversal trend of Link at any time. Meanwhile, the relative strength index of the Link is at level 39.85. This means that Link is in a nearly oversold state. However, this gives confidence for traders to trade without any fear. So this could be a good position to start off your year. If you're looking to purchase any other new tokens, this might be a good one that you want to build towards. Again, I never recommend going all in on a coin at one time. So, you know, there is chance that the price of Chainlink does move further down. So I always do recommend to dollar cost average. In number 8, we're going to talk about StormX. And the reason why I feel so good about StormX is because of this here. 8% cash back on Amazon purchases. And this is going to be with the StormX debit card. This is going to be huge. 8% cash back. I haven't heard of that anywhere other than the crypto.com card, but you need to hold like 500,000 CRO or something like that. 500,000 worth of CRO, which is pretty much impossible for people like me, right? But you don't need to do that here with StormX, and you can still be earning 8% cash back on Amazon purchases. I do love Amazon, and I know that many people out there do purchase on Amazon every day or every week, right? So this will attract a lot of attention, and when this happens, well, the price of StormX more than likely will go up. Okay, so I think StormX can reach its all-time highs, if not only reach them, but also break them. So definitely be on the lookout for StormX. I do recommend that you hold your StormX on the StormX app because they do offer quite a nice yield on that. All right, the next token that I want to talk about in number 7, I do want to talk about Hedera Hashgraph. And the reason why I want to talk about Hedera Hashgraph is because it is one of the coins that is presumed to be ISO 222 compliant. And this is huge, right? For anyone that doesn't know, ISO 222 is just kind of like a means of payment, right? They kind of follow certain regulations and whatnot. But the significance of the shift will unfold in the next few years as major currencies adopt the ISO 222 formatting. Swift estimates that 80% of global high-value payments by volume will be processed through ISO 222. Much of the financial industry will be moving their money through ISO 222 compliant currencies, right? And well, we know of a few, which are XLM, XRP, Algorand, right, IOTA, but there are a few here that are said to be compliant. Hedera Hashgraph is one of them. So you can purchase HBAR even though it is not yet listed as ISO 222, so you can purchase it before people know that it is ISO 222. All right, the next one that I want to talk about is XLM. This is a coin that I feel very confident about. This coin here is working alongside companies like Visa, Tala, and Circle. So this partnership will have 3 companies working together to allow users to initially access USD coin. Adding that Visa's part of the deal will have it offering up debit cards connected to crypto wallets. So this is huge, right? Now you will have debit cards that are going to be connected to USDC. So you see that coming from companies like Voyager and whatnot that are already doing that. So this is going to be huge for cryptocurrency, that we have companies like Visa backing up crypto, and companies like XLM are making this easier. Not only that, but if you look at here on the Stellar website, you will see that they are partnered with huge companies such as MoneyGram, Blockchain, Blockdaemon, right, and Circle, which is huge. And you can look at all these companies that they are partnered with. You can just go onto their website and look at that because they have many partnerships. So I feel quite confident with XLM. In number 5, we are going to talk about Ethereum. Ethereum is one that I feel quite confident about also. And if we look at the technicals here, just kind of look at this graph here and compare it with Bitcoin, you will see what I mean, right? Ethereum has held much stronger through this bull run, right? And it's looking quite healthy here. If Bitcoin decides to move up from here, Ethereum will probably do the same. But not only that, but Ethereum will probably break its all-time high sooner than Bitcoin will reach its all-time high. And we can see that just by looking at the graph here at the 1 year. We see that Bitcoin is quite far from its all-time high, where Ethereum looks to be very close to its all-time high. So Ethereum with a 10%, 20% pump will break its all-time high, where Bitcoin does need much more than that to reach its all-time high. Up next, I do want to talk about Polkadot. Polkadot is a cryptocurrency that I am also very confident in. We saw it recently that it got a 9% increase in a single day, so we know that the hype is there for Polkadot. Not only that, but if you pair that with the Voyager interest rate on Polkadot, I see that it's a very safe play, right? So given that Polkadot is not near its all-time high right now, I think that there is much money to be made on Polkadot, not only from price appreciation, but also from the interest that companies such as Voyager do offer. And if you do want to sign up for Voyager, my referral link is down below. So please use that referral code because you will be helping me out, and you will also get $25 worth of Bitcoin credited right into your Voyager account. The next token that I want to talk about is Mana Decentraland. We do see here, this is when Facebook decided to purchase. This is when Facebook decided to change its name to Meta, and we do see a pump going on here. We do see that Mana kind of settled down around here, but I do think that Mana will break its all-time high. If we look at the market cap of Mana, it is still not that high. It's at a $6 billion, almost $7 billion market cap. So it can definitely still pump up from here. I think it still has much more room to grow. So I think in the year 2022, Mana will be a good play. Not only that, but given that people are purchasing plots of digital land on Mana in the metaverse using Mana currency, digital land was just sold in the metaverse for $2.43 million. So that is huge. That's more than the average cost of a home in New York City and San Francisco. So huge, you know. These metaverse coins, I don't think that they are done going up or appreciating. I think that the metaverse is still building. There's still much more room for coins such as Mana to appreciate some more. Okay, so now we're in my top 2. This is one coin that I am very, very bullish on, and that is Polygon. Now, if you guys have been following my channel, you know that Polygon is a token that I purchased quite a while ago and I feel very good about. But just recently, one thing that made me feel even better about Polygon is that Polygon is becoming deflationary. You heard that right. Around 0.27 of Matic, the native token on Polygon, will be burnt annually. So that is amazing. That is good for us token holders because that means that there will be less tokens going around, and that means that the price of our tokens will appreciate much more. This is good. This makes me much more bullish on the price of Matic. I was a little iffy about the price of Matic because given before, I believe Matic was a inflationary coin, but now given that it is deflationary, I feel so much better holding Polygon in my portfolio. Again, scarcity is something that I look for when I look at cryptocurrencies. I think scarcity is very, very important. So definitely pay attention to scarcity. That's why I don't really hold coins such as Doge, which are inflationary. If something is inflationary for me, I will probably not purchase it just because I don't really like to hold inflationary assets. There are some exceptions such as Polkadot, which is an inflationary coin, but the interest beats the inflation, so I feel good about holding Polkadot. And in first place, we have, drumroll please, VGX. All right, we have VGX as my number 1 token to look out for, and here's my reason why. In number 1, I want to talk about VGX. Why? Because there are huge things going on with the Voyager app, and we see it here. Cleared for takeoff, Voyager secures final approval to operate in Europe. This is a major step in the process to bring the Voyager app to European customers, building Voyager into a truly global financial service company. See you across the pond. So right now, Voyager, the app, is only available to people in the US. Imagine what will happen to the price of VGX when this app goes live in places like Europe or in other countries like Canada or Australia, right? There are going to be so many new people that are going to be interested in holding VGX because they want those rewards. And when that happens, the price of VGX is going to soar. I do think that this will be the year when Voyager finally goes to Europe. So hopefully that happens. Hopefully they get to operate their app in Europe because that is going to be a good thing for us VGX token holders because many more people will also want the perks that we are currently receiving. And when that happens, well, get ready for rockets, right? Because the price of VGX will only increase as more people will hold the VGX token. So if you don't yet hold the VGX token, I really, really recommend that you go and check out Voyager and everything that they are doing because as of now, they are only in the US. So remember that you would still be early if you buy in on VGX now. All right, guys, that is going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much. If you watched all the way through, it really does help my video do well with the YouTube community. If you watch all my video, it does really help me out a lot. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click that thumbs up down below to make sure that other people are also exposed to this content. Like I like to say, let's go to the moon together, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.